How to use clone stamp feature on photopea.com. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now first of all, you have to go and select the clone tool that is located on the right corner. That is a clone tool, and looks like a stamp. You have to select it. As you select the clone tool, now you have to select the area that you want to clone to another area. For that, you have to press K or Control with command. If you are not able to press K, then you have to press Alt on your keyboard and select the area that you want to clone. Let's say I'm selecting this area to clone. Now I have selected this area. Now I can clone it on this person's face by going to the area. Now let's say you can see I have cloned this area. This is how you can use clone tool on your photopea.com. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.